it's very difficult to choose this award. And often, as you've noticed today, I don't have the words to express the gratitude that we feel for the people that not only achieved this award, but are in the running for these kind of awards. So first, I'd like to welcome the team to the front, because it's a universal choice that we make between all of us. So it's not my decision. In fact, it's nothing to do with me. It's a team decision. So what we're going to do, because I don't have the words, we're going to play a video to show you. We'll play a little video to demonstrate words I was able to write, but maybe not say. So, oh, thank you.
Can't hear you back.
Oh, sorry, they can't hear me back, sorry.
That's unusual.
So, the 2025 Partner of the Year Award. Here we go. Please watch and ladies and gentlemen, Partner of the Year 2025, the unbelievable Tom and Kate Forbes. Congratulations.
That's amazing. That's all right, we're finished now.
Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Jason, I'll just Tommy Shea. What is Tommy Shea? What is Tommy Shea? Please make it Tommy Shea. Well done. This is fucking brilliant. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Keep them going when the going gets tough. It's tough to get going, but we're going to have a fantastic 2026. Hey, I'm going to set a wee challenge to you. Everybody next year, bring one person, we'll double the size of the room.
Yeah.
All right. All the best for everybody next year. Go for it. All right.